press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Shreya, hi Priyamada.
Hello.
Welcome to Big Boss.
Thank you so much. The journey has been spectacular. I think I've never experienced something like this ever in my life before. And every day, every moment, every hour was totally worth being in that villa. And what better than walking away with the title? I mean, I didn't expect it at all, but I think एक बार जब हम semi-finale पहुंच गए, once we reached the semi-finale, like we both started feeling that, you know,
We got this.
yeah, we've got this. And I was very clear from the start, I really wanted to be in the finale, but somewhere after I met Shrey, I was just like, you know, it's just so fun to just be in the house and just perform tasks together and just chill and have a good time. That I think it was a joyride. After
Same. Now it just feels like not like a vacation, but it feels nice because I mean, of course, getting to the finale, winning it was the cherry on the cake. But at the same time, it was a lot of fun. What happened during the show, having those challenges, living together, eating, all the contestants. You know, being in a villa with so many people, shooting day and night, masti karna, utna, baithna. So I think overall, those experiences were really nice. And then winning it was, of course, kisko khushi nahi hai, you know, khushi nahi milegi. So.
Yeah, I think the best part was just living in a house with 20 odd people, different kinds of people. सब अलग तरीके से बात करते हैं, सबका mentality is different. Everyone's you know, really different in their own way, and living together in that one house was just a
lot of fun.
Great experience. I think it was.
Honestly, very honestly, they weren't difficult. Maybe like, you know, 1, 2 here and there was a little more physical than we'd like to. But apart from that, they really weren't difficult. I mean, I think both of us are very well equipped in all those senses in terms of physically, mentally and emotionally to deal with all the challenges. Task may be like a physical challenge, or be it like a talent round, or be it like something where we need to use our mental capabilities. I think overall we were pretty well equipped to deal with all of those. So nothing was really hard around
Really
the globe.
hard,
It's just since we were shooting in such conditions of, you know, Jaipur heat and shooting back to back for such a long time, and then all the challenges were back to back, because on TV, of course, it's, you know, every week, but when we were shooting, we shot for this the one to reach the semi-finale one day, semi-finale the day after, and the finale the day after. So I think that case, it was just
physically exhausting.
physically exhausting, but apart from that, I don't think it was really hard. It was fun.
It was fun.
And
And some of the challenges were like super fun, like the dance one, and then the talent round, and then the one in which we had to collect letters and write. And I think where we sort of had like our forte was we were mentally really strong.
Yeah.
I think that sort of made us strong as a couple.
Yeah, anything
together
to the
as well.
challenges where our personalities were more put, you know, on spot to those things. I think those challenges were more adaptable. You know, they were more for us. So yeah, we would really, there was like a lot of fun doing those challenges.
That's the deal. Like, I don't think we were competing at all against anyone.
I'll tell you what, सबके strengths होते हैं. Everyone has a certain strength. Every couple was strong in one sense than the other. So I mean, maybe one challenge, one couple was stronger than the other couple. So there wasn't any couple or two specifically who were like overall इनसे बहुत
कि
difficult.
इनको beat कर देंगे या
इनसे
how are we going to?
How good to, because
We never felt
सबका
that.
अपना strong था. Suppose if you talk about someone's physically strong, तो जब उनके साथ challenge हो तो वो चीज़ में difficulty थी. कोई किसी और challenge में अच्छा था. So I don't think overall there was no.
And I think between the two of us, we sort of covered everything. We were mentally strong, we were physically strong. I was agile, I'm a dancer. So I don't think like मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि oh no, you know, I won't be able to do it, except certain tasks where there was a lot of marpeat and I was scared of like big girls, obviously, that मेरे को उठा के फेंक देंगी. Maybe I was a little worried then, but once we got together, I don't think we felt कि कोई couple is stronger. Yeah.
Individually, we still might have had our weaknesses. But I think once we got together, no matter what challenge it was, I think overall together we were very well adapted to do everything very easily in the sense more than the other couples, just because everything was working for us in terms of physical strength, to mental compatibility, to emotional quotient, to all the things together fit very well for both of us. So yeah, and also.
And we understood each other very well without having to even have a conversation.
And we weren't really competing with other couples, honestly. Like
At all.
Challenges Thailand, suppose the one to eat laddus were somehow won, but the other couples had way less laddus. For us, it was just enjoying.
We were just happy that we ate like what 12 laddus. So even though they ate 16, we were just like, but babe, we ate 12. Like how cool is that? The others ate 6 and 7. So even though we lost, like we never felt like we lost. We always felt that we did this and we did our best and we enjoyed ourselves. So I don't think like we
हमने तो
ever
बहुत
felt like
मजे किए हर
competition.
चीज
We
में
actually बहुत मजे
challenges हो शो हो विला के अंदर हो जैसा
खाते हुए हो,
We
सोते
just
हुए हो, चिल करते हुए मतलब throughout.
had a lot of fun. कि क्या प्लान है बैठ के वही प्लान बना रहे हैं वही बना रहा हूँ उसे लेकिन individually for our careers and generally it's just like sitting together and for I mean both of us are actors so for us Splitsvilla has been a great blessing in terms of getting so much love and attraction and the eyeballs from people is just using it for advantage in the sense to use this wave and really like really now really start making a mark as actors especially for me she's done a lot of good work. For me, it's just start getting good content work in terms of acting gigs, mostly movies. So that is my plan for now. And I think when I speak on her behalf, this thing is also for us to get just up bully.
Yeah, I mean for me, I was obviously working before this, and this was sort of a little break I took to just work on myself and just do something different. And I've always wanted to do a reality show, so I just wanted to try something different. So yeah, I mean I really enjoyed myself doing a reality show. So I will be taking up something reality based. So if something interesting comes up, so that's something different from what I've done. And obviously I'll be back on TV very soon with something new. And my film is coming up, so I'm working on that as well. But yeah, I'm keen on doing reality, and I never thought that that's something I'd probably look at. But after doing this show, I really enjoyed myself, so maybe something there.
Final message for the audience is very simple. I mean, honestly, there's nothing much to say apart from the fact that a big thank you, a lot of gratitude, and that's it. Just to get the love has been really, it's been really wonderful to get so much love from everyone and all sorts of people, fans, other people, friends, industry people, everyone. And just that's it. Please keep loving, please keep supporting because there's a lot for us to give back to you. There's a lot of stuff where we need to do and show our appreciation and thank them. So yeah, thank you and yeah, just lots of love.
Yeah, lots and lots of love. You guys have been with me for a very long time, and I'm hoping you keep supporting me like you always have. And lots of new things I want to do, and just keep giving us your love and blessings, and just be by our side like you have. And
प्यार दो और प्यार लो.
बहुत सारा लो.
बहुत सारा
मेरे पास
लो.
बहुत प्यार है देने के लिए.
थोड़ा सा दे दो पर बहुत सारा देंगे वापस.
वापस तुम्हें बहुत सारा दूंगी. Lots of love.
Thank you. It was lovely having you on IWM Buzz.
It was lovely
Thank
being
you.
here. Thank you. Hi, this is Priyamada Khan,
Hi, this is Shrey Mittal.
and you're watching us on
IWM Buzz.
Buzz.
Buzz.